Hey, this is Scott Photography Bonsai. In this video, I'll be going over this video light setup I put together recently. Some standard photography stuff. You have the light stand, and this just for the umbrella holder. And then two clamp lights. These clamp lights I picked up at Walmart, $8 each. And then the most important part are these LED lamps. These are Philips 90-watt floodlights. They're actually 90-watt equivalent, so they use around 12 watts. They're LEDs. And also they are 5000 Kelvin color temperature approximately, which is good for video work. I also picked up a dimmer. It's a plug-in dimmer that you touch the lamp, change its cycles through 3 different power levels. It works kind of decently, but I'd suggest finding a different dimmer if you want to do a similar setup, something with a switch or a knob or something to really adjust the power level. So in this case, I just have to touch these and hope that it works. So that's power level 1, 2, 3. So this is the maximum power, and then it cycles off. So I'm going to do a few tests. I'll do tests without any type of diffusion, and then I'll do one with the umbrella. Nice amount of power with these LEDs. Pretty cheap, so it's definitely a good option if you're interested in doing more video, more YouTube stuff with nice lighting. Here's an example without the video light being on at all. So it's just standard camera settings that I had set up. I'm going to turn it on to power level 1. This is the LED light at power level 1 without any type of diffusion. So I'm going to go to power level 2 now. This is the LED light at power level 2 with no diffusion, so I will go to power level 3 now. This is the LED light at maximum power. Well, technically the LED lights at maximum power. So now I will put a small umbrella onto the setup and we'll cycle through the power levels again. So here's the setup of the small umbrella in front of the LED lights at power level 1. Now I will go to power level 2. So here's a setup with the small umbrella at power level 2. Now we'll go to power level 3 and see how that is. So here's the setup with power level 3 with a small umbrella. Now I'll switch to a larger umbrella to see how that looks. So here's the lighting setup with the large brolly box umbrella. It's significantly larger than the other one. It shoots the light back into the umbrella and then outward. So I'll turn it up to level 2 and see how that looks. So this is the brolly box at level 2 power. I'll switch it to level 3 to see how that looks. So here's level 3 with the large brolly box. Pretty nice large light source. It's a lot harder to use because you have to push everything inside to the umbrella, but it is definitely a larger, nice diffuse light source. So that's pretty much it for this video. The goal here is to show that you can use locally available, cheaper stuff to get decent results. Those great 5000K LED lights are really nice. You don't have to get these specific ones. They're actually pretty heavy. In this case, they are a little too heavy for these clamp lights, but they work well enough. So I would suggest finding something that works well for you. So I'm Scott from Photography Bonsai. Thanks.